So their initial approach was free games plus social networking with the CPA model. That didn't quite work, so they added the paid avatars and paid in-game items strategy to it. And while they were doing that, they basically said, you know, this is a portal, this is larger, getting more traffic than Yahoo, for example, in Japan. So we basically want to tuck in all the things that people use when they're using their mobile, the things that they're using the most. So down here you can see they've got fortune-telling service, horoscopes, which is extremely popular in Japan. They made that a free content, costs money elsewhere. You've got celebrity news and blogs. Here you can see things like Keitai Shosetsu, which are basically books written on mobile and consumed on mobile. So anybody can start a novel and other people can share their ideas and comment and stuff. And apart from all that entertainment stuff, they have things like just general news. Anybody can share their opinions, their comments. As you can see down here, then they have the current weather info. They've got transportation info, how you get from A to B, which train to take and so forth. They have a mobile search engine tucked into the thing. So it's a lot more than just the social networking and gaming site. And although they have been suffering in terms of advertising revenues from the current economic condition, they're still doing pretty well at 40% operating profit on almost on around $56 million in the last quarter ending March. So basically that gives you an idea of how the site works. And just to show you some of the things that they're doing in the advertising space, the non-CPA advertising space, they're working with really big brands like Coca-Cola or Louis Vuitton or Uniqlo, which is basically Japanese version of H&M. So they started experimenting with this whole setup about a year and a half back, maybe 2 years, where they started having all kinds of things like branded games, or you would receive a Coca-Cola t-shirt for your avatar if you participated in a campaign. You could become friends with the Coca-Cola character on the site. All kinds of stuff. They've done advert gaming with Louis Vuitton, where basically the products are featured right in the games. With Uniqlo, they did something really new, where if you bought a certain pair if you bought a certain kind of clothes at the store, you'd get a virtual version of those to dress your avatar with. Plus, they had a little branded game on the site where you could basically, the goal was to catch little things, the current collection items that were coming out of a washing machine, and you could try them on. So they've been doing really well with kind of integrating the real world with the virtual world on mobile. And that's how it works. And if you're more interested in this service, we've just released a really in-depth report. It's more than 200 pages that focuses on the site as a whole, on the business model, on the demographics, on how it works, how it's been evolving, why they do what they do. And check it out. It's available. Please just go to www.infinita.co.jp/research and you'll find everything you need. And that's it for this week. Thanks.